Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning, all of you once again. This is Dakne sir. Welcome you all in our online lecture series of information system. Up till now, in the first unit of information system, we have discussed the different topics like what exactly mean by the information system, then various examples of the information system, various types of the information system we have discussed. Along with that, the various components of the information system. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed the role of the information system in the organization. I hope all of you have got the lectures that up till today we have conducted. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what is happening? If you give me the response too late, our time will be get wasted. Okay, so try to give the response quickly so that I can know whether you are there or not. Okay, because of the frequency problem that might happen. Yes, so try to give the quick response so that we can proceed further. Yes, all of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And today
Yes, sir.
we are going to discuss about our next point in this unit, and preferably after this one point, and then we are having the case studies related with the Indian Railways information system and the case study related with the e-commerce. Okay, so today our point of discussion is challenges in the development of information system. Okay, now up till we have seen what exactly information system and all the details we have studied, but today we are going to see the what kind of challenges has to be faced during the development of information system. As all of you must be agree, information system is nothing but the one software. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you are considering the computerized information system, it is nothing but the one software. So just like other kind of software we are developing, there is also the need to develop the information system. Understood? And today our point of discussion is what kind of different challenges we might face, we in the sense those who are developing the information systems. Understood? So mostly the information system being developed by through the various kind of software companies. All of you must be know about all these things. So our today's point is what kind of different challenges has to be faced during the development of information system. Yes, what I hope all of you must be knowing what exactly mean by the challenges. Yes, anybody can tell me about what do you mean by the challenges? Yes. Challenges means yes.
Risk or competition.
Risk or competition. Anybody else?
Security.
Security. Switch off the mic. Somebody's mic is on. Yes. Anything else? Satyam. Is the Satyam is there? What do you think about the challenges? Challenges means what?
If any software failure,
Then Vaishali, what do you mean by the challenges?
Challenges means facing problems or means आपण एखादं
Yes, सांगा हा मराठीमध्ये सांगा. Yes, Mayur, what do you know about the challenges?
एखादी गोष्ट करणार आहे तर त्याच्यामध्ये येणारे पुढे जेवढे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात ते फेस
Yes,
करणं.
exactly. Very good. So challenges in are nothing but when you are trying to complete some task, you might have to face some difficulties, problem, understood. And after fulfilling or after solving this problem, difficulties, the whatever task you want to complete that get completed. So these are nothing but the challenges in the, that is the meaning of the challenges in the development of information system. The uh, challenges can be anywhere when you are appearing for the exam, doing the study, etc., etc. Understood? So what kind of different kind of problem, difficulties has to be faced during the development of information system? This is the 4 marks point being asked number of times in the exams also. So up till we have already discussed information system, the set of interrelated components. The components I have mentioned here like human, hardware, software, procedure, data, etc. used to collect, store, distribute and process the information. Now, day by day, the need, or what we can say, the necessity of the information system is increasing, not decreasing. What is the reason for that? The reasons are nothing but the kind of support it is providing to the various kind of businesses and the organization. Understood? So the information system nowadays is not any option, but it is what we can say, it is the compulsory kind of thing. Okay. In the today's world of the business. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So even if any company or organization using the information system, and if there's some problem comes in the operating that information system, then that company or the organization might have to face the huge kind of losses. Understood? So managing that information system is also the very important part. Okay. We will come to that point. Okay. And first we understand there are the 2 main challenges being there in the information system development. Okay. So before that, we understand what are the other things that are very much important or having the equal importance in related with the information system. So whatever the information system will be developed, that information system must be secure. Okay. And also these 3 characteristics related with the information system must be compulsory follow. Which are these 3 characteristics related with the information system are very much important? First is what? Confidentiality. Second, integrity and availability. So whatever the information system will be get developed, that information system must follow all these kind of, what you can say, the characteristic. Confidentiality related with the some information system is what? Confidentiality. For example, I told you the last time example, web information, DT is your web information system, DT website, correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Or you can consider, for example, Amazon website is the one, also the one information system, correct? Yes, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mayur. So related with that kind of information system, for example, Amazon website as a web information system, what do you mean by the confidentiality related with that? Yes. Anybody? Confidentiality means what? You have to express yourself. Okay. It is not the one-way kind of communication. You must also answer whatever it may be. It may be wrong, right? It doesn't matter. But you must express what you know. Correct? So confidentially related with the Amazon web information system. Yes. What you can tell me whatever things you know, then we discuss on that. Yes.
Means keeping the customers or users information privately.
Yes, exactly. The water, because when you are going to purchase some item from the Amazon website, first thing you need to do was you need to register yourself. You have to enter your information. Now it is the duty of that Amazon web information system and that company that your whatever the confidential information you are entering there, it should not be get misused. It should not be get misused. It should not be get utilized by some another person for bad purpose. That is the confidentiality. Then integrity means what? Related with the web information system, for example, Amazon. Integrity related with the any information system means what? Whatever the information that is being provided by that information system, it should be correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the integrity. Availability means what? Whenever customer will need that information system must be work in the proper way. Correct?
Yes, sir.
आपल्याला असं कधी चालेल का की आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये ERP सिस्टीम आहे आणि तुम्हाला जर यूज करायचं असेल तर ती इट इज नॉट इन द वर्किंग कंडिशन, सम बग्स आर देअर, सम एरर्स आर देअर, किंवा वेबसाईट तुम्ही Amazon वर काही परचेस करायला गेल्यानंतर इट इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, सर्व्हर डाऊन. इज दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू विल ऍक्सेप्ट?
No, sir.
No, means you will face the difficulty. So means what? The whatever information system will be there, it should be available 24/7 for the customer support or for the support of employee, manager, etc., etc. Okay, so these three characteristics are very important related with any kind of information system. Now come to our point of what are the actual challenges being faced during the development of information system. When the information system is getting designed and developed based on the order from the specific customer or from the small business or from the large businesses, during the development and design of that information system, various kind of problems or difficulties has to be faced. And in that, first categorization is the operational challenges faced during the development of information system. I hope all of you got the title that we are discussing today. Yes?
Yes, sir.
आपण आतापर्यंत बघितलं की इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम म्हणजे काय, एक्झाम्पल काय, टाइप्स काय, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. पण टुडे व्हॉट वी आर डिस्कसिंग की हाऊ दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम इज गेट डेव्हलप अँड व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स माइट बी फेस during the development of information system. Now, one in that first categorization is the operational challenge. And in the operational challenge, first challenge is the bad communication. Means what? And bad communication can be the result of, what will be the result of bad communication? And between which peoples the bad communication might happen? Bad communication in the sense what? Mayur? Yes, Vaishali? Bad communication. Yes. Yes. Anybody? What do you mean by the bad communication?
Incorrect message.
Incorrect message. Okay. Anybody else?
Misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding. How can the misunderstanding can happen? If now when for example there is a our college, okay, our college want to develop the one information system, that is what? ERP system, correct? Then we have to approach to whom? We have to give the order of building the information system to whom? To the software company, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you are giving order to develop the information to some software company, if what you are telling to that company what kind of system we want to develop as a ERP system for our college, if the people who are there in that company will not able to understand what exactly you are speaking, understood what exactly you are telling, then that is nothing but what? The bad communication, correct?
Yes.
Now bad communication can come when we are speaking something and the person who is there in the or employee who is there in that company, he don't know about the language in which we are speaking, correct?
Yes, sir.
If there is some person who is suppose there is a person speaking in the Kannada language, okay, understand the situation, is speaking in the which language? Kannada language. Now the employee who is there in the company, he don't understand the Kannada language. Is this nothing but the way of the bad communication? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what that customer, what that particular, for example, person is speaking with the employee of the company, he will not understand what exactly he is speaking. And if that person who is giving the order, if he don't know the English, then what employee speak? If the employee is speaking in the English, will that particular person will understand that? No. Correct. So that is nothing but what? The communication barrier between customer and organization, or between the stakeholders related with the project. Organization means what here? The organization means here the software company who is developing that particular information system. Correct. What do you mean by the stakeholders? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by the stakeholders? Stakeholders means what? Who are the stakeholders of our college? Yes. Who are the stakeholder of our college?
The owners, stakeholder means owners.
Owners, that is the management body. Trustees also comes under the stakeholders, as well as students also comes under the stakeholder of college, staff, employee. All these things are being, those who are having the relation with that particular organization, they all comes in the stakeholders of that particular college. And also we become the stakeholders of ERP system if you want to get it developed from some XYZ company. Now software development company, their stakeholders will be different, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, their stakeholders will be their management, they employ, they manage, etc., etc. Now, if their communication problem comes between the, for example, we carry on with the example of our S&D College of Engineering, and we are trying to develop our software from Infosys. Okay, take this example, correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If whatever,
sir.
if you are speaking in the Marathi and people who are there in the Infosys, they can't able to understand Marathi, that is nothing but the communication barrier. I hope all of you got the first challenge, bad communication.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what can be the result of the bad communication? Result of the bad communication is nothing but unclear requirements, correct?
Yes.
Can anybody will explain me this point? Yes. Unclear requirements as a one challenge.
ते सर आता कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम जर आला तर सपोज कस्टमरला काय लागतंय मग ते
कळणार नाही जी सॉफ्टवेअर कंपनी त्यांना व्यवस्थित रिक्वायरमेंट कळतील का? नाही, दे विल. सो इफ द बॅड कम्युनिकेशन problem comes, what S&D College of Engineering trying to tell to the Infosys company, what kind of ERP system they want to develop, that will not be understood by the Infosys company, and that is nothing but not clearly identified requirements. And this will lead to what? Because of that, what can happen? Changes in the requirement might happen after some days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So changes in the requirement might happen during the middle of project, which will, effect of that will be what? Project delivery time will increase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
we might get angry with the Infosys company, correct? We as a customer, S&T College of Engineering, correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but the second challenges has to face. That is nothing but the result of first challenge, unclear requirement. Second challenge, clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Third challenge, that is also result of previous two challenges, that is the increasing cost. How the cost can be increased? Can
जर
anybody?
त्यांची रिक्वायरमेंट कळली नाही तर लेबर
झाली
चार्ज
का?
वाढेल.
बरोबर. तुम्ही जर
नाही.
सुरुवातीला रिक्वायरमेंट व्यवस्थित कळाली नाही
ते उत्तर
इन्फोसिस
देतो.
कंपनीला, तर काय
मयूर
होईल?
मयूर सर म्हणतो मयूर सांग वैशाली पुरीच गागन.
Hello, switch off your mic. Okay, so what will happen if the communication will not happen properly between the S&T College of Engineering and the Infosys company? Then Infosys company will not understand the requirement of S&T College of Engineering correctly. Because of what will happen after 1 month, you will tell to the Infosys company, we have this kind of different requirement also. Because of that, what will happen? Project delivery time will get increased. Yes. And because of that, also what happened? The labor cost and the project cost also get increased. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
because of that, what will happen? Infosys company profitability will get decreased. Correct? Correct or not? जर आपण
Yes.
सुरुवातीला जर 50,000 मध्ये
Yes, sir.
प्रोजेक्ट आपण इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम फायनल केली असेल, बरोबर? किती? In the 50,000. In after some days you make the changes in the requirement, etc. Its cost will should get increase or not?
Increase.
Increase.
Yes.
Understood. But what happened? Customer never give the increased cost, and that is nothing but what? Less profitability to the that particular software company. मग त्यांच्या आणि आपल्यामध्ये what we can say वादविवाद होऊ शकतात. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ते सांगणार नाही आता तुमची रिक्वायरमेंट वाढलेली आहे, तुम्ही आणखीन 5-10 हजारचं तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल, ऍडिशन बजेट यू हॅव टू सँक्शन, लाईक दॅट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हॅपन. आणि त्याच्यामुळे मग त्या वादविवादामुळे काय होऊ शकतं, आपण काय करू शकतो, प्रोजेक्ट इन्फोसिसला जो दिलेला आहे तो कॅन्सल पण करू शकतो. करेक्ट ऑर नॉट?
Yes.
And that is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but the problems or the another challenges that has to face, that is the increase in the cost. All three challenges understood under the operational challenge? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next one. Next operational challenge is nothing but delay in the project delivery. That is also the result of the previous one. If the S&T College of Engineering will not tell to the Infosys their requirement during the initial period of time, then it might happen if the S&T College of Engineering will go on giving the requirements after the 10 days, then again after the 15 days, one more requirement, then after the 1 month, one more requirements, that will definitely result in what? Delay in the project delivery related with the whatever the time that has been decided during the finalizing the contract of project. Correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
If during the finalizing the contract of our project, if we have given them the time of 4 months, kiti? 4 months, correct?
Yes.
During the order we are giving to the Infosys company, how much time we have given to them? Time of how much? 4 months, correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
But during each month, after 15 days, you go on increasing your requirements that you have given during the contract of the project. Will the Infosys will able to complete that project in the 4 months? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, all of you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
What I said, if during the contract of our project, which we are giving to the Infosys company, we have decided a time of how much? 4 months. Complete? Correct?
Yes, sir.
And in contract, during this finalizing the contract, we have to give the all the requirements also. Yes.
4 months.
Okay, you have to give the requirements during the when you are finalizing the contract. But after finalizing the contract, you are making the changes in the requirements. After 10 days, you make one change. After 15 days, you make one change. 1 month, likewise. Then, is it possible for the Infosys company to complete that project within 4 months?
No, sir.
No.
No.
If day by day you go on increasing your requirements, then definitely delay in the project delivery will happen. Correct?
Yes.
असं नाही की इन्फोसिस कंपनी फक्त आपल्या कॉलेजसाठीच काम करणार आहे, त्यांना बाकीचे पण प्रोजेक्ट असतात ना. करेक्ट?
Yes.
And that is nothing but the next operational challenge, the delay in the project delivery. Understood? So result of what mentioned above will cause the project milestone to be pushed back and a potential software with a less functionality that with the agreed upon in the beginning of agreement with the client. So it will not become easy, or it will become difficult for the Infosys company to do the project delivery within a time, and that is nothing but another operational challenge, the delay in the project delivery. Understood? Because of the subsequent challenges being we have seen, the another challenge being comes because of that is nothing but what? The market pressure. Now you tell me about this. One more operational challenge, market pressure.
मार्केट मध्ये कसली डिमांड आहे?
आता हे मार्केट प्रेशर कुणावर येईल?
ऑर्गनायझेशन कंपनीवर,
इन्फोसिस कंपनीवर येईल ना, बरोबर?
हो.
जर कस्टमरच्या डिमांड सारख्या चेंज होत राहिल्या आणि डिलिव्हरी जर प्रोजेक्टची वेळेवर झाली नाही, तर आपण सुद्धा नाराज होणार इन्फोसिस कंपनीवर. करेक्ट? येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
And we might made pressure on the Infosys company that we don't want to carry on with this project. We are giving this project to the another company. This can be happen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the Infosys company will take too much time to give you that information system as a project order that you are given to them, if it take too much time, in between that time, there might be the rapid development related with that software. Means what? More updated features might have come in the market. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but what? That is nothing but the become difficult for the Infosys company to meet the changing market demands, and that will make the pressure on that particular software company. Understood? The last challenge in the operational challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the 5 main challenges comes in the under the category of the operational challenge during the development of information system. Which one? The first one we have discussed? First,
Bad communication.
bad communication. Then second,
Unclear.
unclear requirement. Third, increasing cost. Fourth,
Delay
delay in the project
delivery.
delivery. And lastly, we have seen that is nothing but what? Market.
pressure.
Okay, so this is the first category of challenges in the development of information system. Okay, let's move to the another category, that is the most important one, the technical challenges being faced in the development of information system. Okay, in that first technical challenge we have, that is what? Knowing the technical needs. Now you tell me about this. Knowing the technical needs. Now who is going to face the technical challenge mostly? S&T College of Engineering or the Infosys company? You understood the question? Who is going to face the technical challenge mostly? Infosys or the S&T College of Engineering? Definitely the employee who are working in the Infosys company, who are trying to develop that information system, they will face the most kind of technical challenges. Means what? What kind of things comes under the technical challenges? Things like understanding of programming language. Correct? Means what? In order to develop the information system, will there be the need of programming language? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Those employees who are working on developer of that information system, they should know that programming language properly. Correct? Then he should have the proper knowledge of frameworks. Frameworks means what? And he should have the proper knowledge of algorithms needed for the development of particular information system successfully. Now you tell me about what do you mean by the frameworks? Yes. First technical need understood. Understanding of what? Programming languages. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Second technical need is what? Understanding of the various kind of frameworks. Now you tell me, what do you mean by frameworks? Now you are in the third year. What is the framework in the software related with the softwares? Framework means what? Yes.
Building or running applications.
Rohit Darekar.
Structure. Modules.
Good. Structure means structure in the sense some kind of ready-made code which is being available related with some languages. Understood. For example, in case of the Java language, there are the strut, strut. That is the one kind of framework available for the development of the website. Then in case of the Python, there is one more framework available for the development of the website, Django. Django is the one more framework in the Python. Means some kind of ready-made code available. That is nothing but the called as what? Framework. Understood. So the employee must have the proper knowledge of frameworks being utilized during the development of that information system, and most importantly, algorithms. Correct. So these all things must be known by that particular employee who is working on what? The development of information system. Understood the first technical challenge? Yes.
Yes, sir.
First technical challenge समजले सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Second technical challenge, right design pattern. Means right design pattern. Vaishali. Design म्हणजे काय? Related with our software. What do you mean by the design?
UI design or UI UX design.
User interface design. Okay, then
yes.
Now design can be the nothing but the one kind of requirement from the customer side. What kind of user interface the customer want related with that information system. Accordingly, the right kind of design pattern must be identified related with that information system software, and it must be get review from the particular customers. That is the meaning of establishing the actual design review. Okay, it must be get verified. It must be shown to the customer that this is the kind of design of your information system. Do you want to carry on with that? If not, then changes might happen, that kind of things. Understood. As well as in related with the design thing comes like dividation of your project into the different kinds of modules. Understood. And developing the different kind of modules separately and then combining them together. So these all the things comes under the category of right design pattern. Identifying the right design patterns and getting it verified or getting its review from the customers. That is also considered as one of the important challenge related with the technical challenges in case of the development of information system. Okay, so our second challenge is related with what? Selection of the right design patterns. Okay, shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then third we have the quality control. Most importantly, quality control related with the code that you are utilizing to develop that information system. Means what? Building the quality and the maintainable code. This word is very important. Building the quality and the maintainable code that can scale to the multiple system to serve millions of the customer. Building the quality and the maintainable code that can scale to the multiple system means what? Yes, anybody? I hope you must be able to read this statement, first two statement. Yes. Yes, building the quality and maintainable code that can scale to the multiple system to serve the millions of customer. Means what? Whatever the software being developed as an information system, it should be able to work on the various kind of platform. What do you mean by the platform? If you install it on the Windows platform, it should also work there properly. If you try to install it on the Ubuntu or the Linux platform, there also it should work properly. That is the one thing, correct? If any customer try to utilize your information system on the Chrome browser, that customer should be able to utilize it properly. If anybody try to utilize it on the Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc., that is nothing but the meaning of your information system must be able to scale to the multiple system, and it should be able to serve millions of customer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
म्हणजे काय, जर आता इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम तयार झाली आहे, करेक्ट, ती इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम तुम्ही विंडोज वर वापरा किंवा लिनक्स वर वापरा, ऑन ईच ऑफ दिस प्लॅटफॉर्म इट शुड वर्क प्रॉपरली, करेक्ट?
Yes.
When this can happen? Only when the code is being written according to that, correct or not?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you try to utilize that information system using the Chrome browser, it is working properly. But if you try to utilize it using the Internet Explorer, it is not working. Can you able to say that that information system is being built with the quality code?
No.
No, there are some lapses. Understood. So that is nothing but another challenge in the technical, the quality control related with the code of your information system. Understood? It should be the quality and the maintainable code. And last challenges in the technical part is the security. Yes. Is this point the most important nowadays? Yes or no? This challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Your system, that S&D College of Engineering, trying to get it developed from the Infosys, it must be secure proof. It must be with all the kind of security measures so that nobody can able to hack that information system. Now related with the educational institute, there is no problem if the hacking or etc. happens. But think about the Amazon. The customer information might be get leaked. The customer personal information might be get leaked. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Related with
Yes,
the
sir.
educational institute also same thing can be happen. Our mobile number, our personal information can be get leaked if the information system get developed is not foolproof with the security, and that is nothing but one more main challenge in the technical challenge. Yes. The last challenge, that is what? Security. All of you understood this challenge?
Yes, sir.
So your information system must be have the kind of security measures must be taken by the Infosys company related with your information system, so that we can ensure that no leaks are open during the information system development, and safeguard of information system has been taken care by the employee of the Infosys company. Now, let me tell you the example. If the security measures will not get followed, what kind of problem or what kind of dangerous situation might has to be follow, or what kind of losses that can has to be followed by different kind of companies. If you take the example of, for example, if you take the example of e-commerce company, can you tell me the name of any e-commerce company?
Amazon, Flipkart.
Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, these are the e-commerce companies. Understood? Their website are nothing but their web information system, correct or not?
Yes.
Now some hacker, if some hacker make hacking in that particular web information system, and because of that software failure occurs, the company that Amazon website is not working properly, consider for complete 2 hours and consider the situation. What will happen? Do you understand the situation? If Amazon website is not working for 2 hours, because of what? Because of some hackers, has hacked that website, then what will be the consequences of that? That is my question. Do you got the situation? Yes.
Yes, sir.
रिपीट करो. ओके.
जर अमेझॉनची वेबसाईट तर 2 घंट्यासाठी जर हॅक झाली,
थांब एक मिनिट थांब, मला क्वेश्चन परत रिपीट करू दे. ओके, Amazon इज द काइंड ऑफ ई-कॉमर्स
ज्यांनी आता
वेबसाइट.
काहीतरी मी घेतलाय, मोबाईल घेतलाय, त्याचं पेमेंट केलंय, सगळे जाईल.
Wait. I am asking what if Amazon website is being hacked by some hackers and that website is down for the 2 hours, then what will be the effect of that on the business of Amazon? Now carry on. Yes, carry on. Yes, who was speaking?
Loss.
A loss, that is nothing but the, now within a 2 hours, Amazon is selling the lakhs of the product, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
And because of that, there is nothing but the complete loss of what you can say revenue because of that 2 hours. Here I have mentioned this fault in the software can make the company lose thousands, if not millions of dollars. Understood?
Yes.
Also, if that hackers do the hacking in so depth that he has made changes in the payment gateway of the company, then that payment that you are making, even the website is working properly, hacking can be happen in such depth, the payment you are making might go to the another account. It can happen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, somebody was speaking regarding this point. Understood? So that is the reason security is very important related with the any information system. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but the very important point today we have discussed, that is the challenges being faced in the development of information system. We have discussed the 2 categories, operational challenge and the technical challenges. In the technical challenges, what kind of different points, challenges we have discussed? Quality control, then security, then
Knowing the technical cost.
knowing the technical needs, right design patterns, okay, security,
That's
and
correct.
lastly one more is remaining. Okay, lastly is the always debugging. Means what? Can anybody able to tell me? Always debugging
Error.
means if some errors are coming in the information system, the company must always try to sort it out. That is here I have mentioned. you are always on the lookout in fixing different kind of logical errors and fixing various kind of debugging errors like infinite loop, divide by zero, whatever errors will come in the operating in that particular information system. The company must always, in which mode? Debugging mode. Correct or not? Debugging means if error comes, sorting out that errors. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are nothing but various kind of technical challenge that has to be faced and addressed by software company who is developing that information system. Okay. So that's it for the today's session. Okay. Here today I have the one quote for you. Tomorrow is too late. Yesterday is over, and now is the exactly the right moment. So start doing something good. Start doing something fruitful, helpful, so that it will help you in your future also. Okay. And related with that only, today our department has organized one webinar on technology of machine learning. All of you must be aware. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all of you need to register and get connect again at 3 p.m. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Wait. Let me take the attendance. Okay. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.